Welcome to our journey of vitality. Have you ever wondered why some people at 60 rely on medicine while others hike mountains with ease? Modern life often leaves us feeling drained, with joints that creak and spirits that lag under the heavy weight of daily stress and physical inactivity. But far away, in the serene heights of the Himalayas, lies a secret to timeless health that has been guarded by Tibetan monks for centuries. These practitioners maintain incredible agility and strength well into their later years, moving with the grace of youth despite their silver hair and weathered faces. Their secret is known as the Fountain of Youth, a series of 5 simple yet powerful rites designed to restore the body's natural energy flow. I am honored to share these rituals with you today. They are not just exercises, but a way to reclaim your vigor and internal harmony. Before we begin our transformation, let us connect. Please share your name, age, and where you are joining us from in the comments below. By sharing, we build a supportive community of health seekers, proving that it is never too late to start a journey toward a more vibrant life. Are you ready to unlock the energy that has been dormant within you? Let us explore the science and philosophy behind these ancient movements. These rites work by harmonizing the spinning energy centers of the body, often called chakras, ensuring that life force flows freely to every cell. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, and prepare your body for a gentle yet profound shift in how you feel and move every day. We approach these rites through the lens of Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, through small, manageable steps taken every single day. Biomechanics show that these specific movements help lubricate the joints by stimulating synovial fluid, reducing friction and pain without straining the cardiovascular system. The monks believe we have 7 spinning vortexes of energy. When these spin at the same high speed, the body remains healthy and vibrant. You do not need intense workouts. By improving just 1% every day, you create a massive transformation over time without any risk of injury. Patience is your greatest ally. These rites are designed to be practiced for a lifetime, slowly building strength and flexibility at your own pace. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, we move out of fight-or-flight mode and into a state of deep healing and natural physical repair. Every small movement counts. Whether you are 60 or 80, your body is remarkably capable of adapting and renewing itself when given the right stimulus. Now that we understand the why, let us move into the how. We will begin with the first 2 rituals to wake up your energy. Rite 1. Stand tall with your arms outstretched. Begin to spin slowly in a clockwise direction, following the natural path of the sun's energy. This rite speeds up the spinning of your energy vortexes. If you feel dizzy, simply slow down or take a break between your rotations. A helpful tip for those who experience vertigo is to fix your gaze on a single point ahead of you as you turn around. When you finish, stand still and breathe deeply. Feel the subtle tingling of energy moving through your limbs and calming your mind and spirit. Rite 2. Lie flat on your back on a comfortable surface. Place your hands under your hips if you need extra support for your back. As you inhale deeply, lift your head and then your legs. Keep your knees as straight as possible, but feel free to bend them slightly. Exhale as you slowly return to the starting position. This ritual strengthens your core and stimulates the vital energy centers located in your solar plexus. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. The coordination of movement and breathing is what truly unlocks the restorative power of these ancient Tibetan rites. Always remember to protect your spine. If you feel any strain in your lower back, simply keep your knees bent as you raise your legs. Listen to your body's signals. There is no need to rush. Every controlled movement is bringing more oxygen and vitality to your internal organs today. Each breath you take is a source of life. Feel the tension leaving your body as you prepare for the next stage of our practice. Moving gently, we transition to our 3rd and 4th rituals. focusing on opening the chest and strengthening the joints of the upper body. You are doing great. Remember, the goal is consistency, not perfection. Let's continue with Rite 3 to expand your lung capacity and heart. Rite 3. Kneel with your body upright. Place your hands on the backs of your thigh muscles to support your weight as you move. Inhale as you arch your spine back gently, opening your chest wide to the sky. Exhale as you return to an upright, neutral position again. If your knees are sensitive, please use a soft pillow or a folded towel for extra cushioning. Comfort is essential for a successful long-term practice. This movement opens the heart center and improves the flexibility of the entire spine, allowing for much deeper and more restorative breathing throughout the day. Rite 4. Sit with your legs straight and feet shoulder-width apart. Place your palms firmly on the floor, fingers pointing toward your feet for stability. Inhale as you lift your hips, creating a straight line from your knees to your shoulders like a table. Gently drop your head back slightly. This ritual builds incredible strength in the arms, shoulders, and wrists. It also tones the lower back and strengthens the muscles around the knee joints. Exhale as you return to the sitting position. Do not worry if you cannot lift very high at first. Your strength will grow with daily practice. Remember our Kaizen philosophy. Small progress every day leads to massive results. Consistency in these movements is the true key to unlocking your youth. Focus on the sensation of your muscles working. This mindful connection between mind and body is a core part of the Tibetan healing tradition. Allow the energy to settle. You are building a stronger, more resilient foundation for your body with every single repetition you complete this morning. We are almost there. The final rite is often considered the most powerful for stretching the entire body and renewing your overall physical energy. Great work! Let's move to the 5th rite and see how we can put this into a quick 7-minute daily routine for you. Rite 5. Begin by supporting yourself on your palms and toes. Start with your chest up and shoulders back in a gentle upward arch. Inhale as you lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V. Tuck your chin to your chest to stretch your neck and back. This movement stretches the entire back of your body, from your heels to your neck. It is excellent for spinal health and improving overall circulation. If the floor is too challenging, you can use a sturdy chair for support. Simply place your hands on the seat and follow the same movement. Exhale as you return to the upward dog position. The fluid transition between these two poses creates a powerful pump for your lymphatic and circulatory systems. Combined, these 5 rites form a complete routine that takes only 7 minutes each morning. 7 minutes to change how you feel for 24 hours. And you can start with just 3 repetitions of each rite and gradually increase to 21 over several weeks as your body becomes stronger and more flexible. Imagine starting every day with this surge of natural energy. No more stiff mornings, just a body that feels ready for whatever the day brings. The secret is not in the intensity, but in the ritual. By committing to these 7 minutes, you are investing in a future of independence and health. Now that we have the routine, let us talk about some very important safety tips specifically for our practitioners over 60 years old. Your safety is our priority. Let's make sure you are performing these movements in a way that nourishes your body without causing any harm. The most common mistake is holding your breath. Remember to keep your breathing deep and continuous. Oxygen is the fuel for your physical transformation. Do not rush. Speed is the enemy of safety. Move slowly and mindfully to ensure you are engaging the correct muscles and protecting your joints. Listen for positive pain versus negative pain. If you feel a sharp, stabbing sensation, stop immediately and consult with a medical professional before continuing. I often enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea after my practice. It helps me stay hydrated and allows me to reflect on my progress. Some days your body will feel more flexible than others. Honor that. It is okay to do fewer repetitions on days when you feel tired. Use your environment. A wall can provide balance for the spin, and a chair can make the fourth and fifth rites much more accessible for everyone. Make sure your foundation is solid. Bare feet often provide the best grip and allow you to feel more connected to the ground beneath you. Think of these movements like a gentle stream. We want to encourage flow, not force it. Let the energy move through you naturally and easily. You have the power to change your life's trajectory. By following these safety tips, you ensure a long and healthy journey with the Tibetan Rites.